Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to remove archived chats WhatsApp. The first thing we will do is open the WhatsApp application and enter the Chats panel. Here we will see the archived panel and click on it. Next, we hold down the archived chat that we want to modify. To unarchive it, we are going to click on the icon with the up arrow that we see. From this moment, the chat will leave the archived category and return to the normal chat screen. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.